Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your stories public on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first open up Facebook app, then tap add menu icon, then hit at your profile picture. Next hit add these three dots icon next to edit profile. And now first off you need to check if your profile is locked. If this option says unlock profile, you should tap on that and then hit add this lock icon to unlock your profile just like that. Now as far as you unlocked your profile, you can hit add OK, and then you should go back to settings. So hit add menu icon, then hit add gear icon right there, then just tap add profile settings and then scroll all the way down until you find towards the bottom of this page these story settings. Just get in there and then tap add story privacy, and now you are able to set privacy for your stories. If you want to make them public, just select public option, and that's it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.